Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to feel like your skin is completely refreshed and rejuvenated? I can say that I definitely feel that way with this awesome overnight mask from ARENCIA. When it comes to skincare, there's a few things that really make me feel like something is working. For one, it's how I feel when I'm putting it on, how I feel the next day, and when you get comments and compliments. That's exactly what I've gotten from using this product. So this is a gel-based mask, and at night after washing your face, I simply put it on, and I have to say I really like how it feels. The gel is not sticky at all. It's really easy to apply. It really feels like it sinks into my skin, and I really like how it feels after. It doesn't feel heavy, but my skin feels really moisturized. It almost feels like my skin starts to feel a little bit of a puffiness that makes me feel like it's really working on my wrinkles. I also really like it because the next day I simply go about my regular skincare routine, putting on my makeup, my moisturizer, and I don't feel like I have layers and layers of product. Rather, my face just has a really glowy look under my makeup, even the next day and later into the day. Right now, I am completely without makeup, and this is after using it last night, and I still feel like my skin is refreshed. My skin feels clearer and smoother after using this product. In addition, the other day, my husband asked me, have you been doing something different with your makeup? Because your skin looks really good all day. So there was the compliment that I was waiting for. I can really say that I feel like this has been a really great product to use for my skincare. But that's just my point of view.